Hello and welcome to Quick Tips. In this video, I'll show you why GoHighLevel is the only tool that you will need to grow your business. I have been using GoHighLevel for more than 1 year. You can see that I have agency account, and under my agency account, I have more than 40 businesses who are using GoHighLevel successfully. GoHighLevel is full of features, and in this video I'll show you what are the features that you can use to improve the marketing process and sales in your business. Using GoHighLevel, you can capture the leads on your website. Even if you do not have any website, you can create a website inside GoHighLevel. You can also create sales funnel using GoHighLevel. You can create forms, chat widgets, appointment booking calendar for your website. Once you capture the leads, you can nurture the leads. You can communicate with these leads. You can send them emails and SMS. You can also buy online phone number in GoHighLevel and use that phone number to send SMS to your client. You can also integrate your Google My Business page and the Facebook lead forms and collect the leads in GoHighLevel. You can create full website, funnels, landing pages, drag and drop surveys and forms for your website. Here you will see a list of all the tools that you will get in GoHighLevel. So you will get all-in-one package in GoHighLevel. You can use CRM and pipeline management, unlimited sales funnel, website builder, surveys and forms, email marketing, two-way SMS tracking, bookings and appointments, workflow and automation, reputation management. In the reputation management, you can link your Google My Business page. You can send review requests to your clients once the work is done. You will also get access to the mobile app. You can install that mobile app on your mobile device and use the GoHighLevel on your mobile device. So you will get all the information on your mobile device. You can also call your clients from your mobile device. All the notifications will come to your mobile device. For example, if someone fills up the form on your website, it will send you notification on your mobile device that someone has filled up the form. For that, you will need to create an automation. I'll show you what is the automation. And the pricing of GoHighLevel is affordable. It starts from $97 per month, in which you will get all the tools that I have shown you here. You will get all the tools to capture more leads, full online booking, pipelines, and website builder, unlimited contacts and users. So in your CRM, you can create unlimited contacts. There is no limitation. You can create unlimited email campaigns and send emails to your clients. And you can also create unlimited users inside your sub accounts. So there is no extra charge for adding new user to your sub account. You can add as many contacts and user as you need. And in the starter pack, you can set up to 3 sub accounts. So if you have multiple locations or multiple businesses, then you can go for the starter pack. So in $97, you can set up 3 different businesses in the starter pack. You will get 14 days free trial. I'll give you the link in the description box. If you want to start with the free trial, you can use my link. If you sign up using my link, I'll help you set up your account in GoHighLevel. Another plan is unlimited, which will cost you $297 per month. And in this package, you can create unlimited sub accounts and unlimited users. So if you are running marketing agency, then you can go for the unlimited package. You can offer these services to your clients. You can create unlimited sub accounts and unlimited users in this package. You can also customize the GoHighLevel app. You can create your own white label app, custom domains, and complete control over the look and feel of the platform. So as I said, if you are running marketing agency, then you can go for the unlimited plan and offer these services to your clients. Now let me show you how it works on the actual websites. Let's go to one of the websites here. I have the contact form here. So this is the contact form that I have created using the GoHighLevel. So if someone fills up the form and submit the form, it will send that data to the GoHighLevel. It will create a contact in the GoHighLevel automatically, and it will send me notification that someone has filled up the form on your website, and I can get in touch with that contact person. Here I have one email and chat widget. If someone wants to contact me, they can simply put their name, phone number and message and click send. It will send that information into the GoHighLevel. Here I have one appointment booking calendar that I have created using GoHighLevel. Visitor can go to the calendar, select the date, time, and fill up the form, and it will schedule the meeting in the calendar. It will send me the notification that someone has booked the appointment for that particular date. Now let me go to the GoHighLevel account. Here I'm using one demo account. I have the agency account, so I can create unlimited sub accounts. I have already created one demo account that I use for testing purpose. So here I'm on the demo account, and in the left hand panel you will see all the tools. Let's go to sites and you will see under sites I can create funnels. So if you want to add funnels to your website, you can create funnels using GoHighLevel. If you do not have website, you can also create website. You will see an option here, websites. So GoHighLevel does have built-in website builder that you can use to create website. You just need to purchase a domain and link your domain with GoHighLevel and your website will be live. There are many pre-designed templates that you can use to create a website. If you're looking for e-commerce website, then GoHighLevel do have option to create e-commerce website. It is still in initial phase. However, you can still create e-commerce website using GoHighLevel. You can also create webinars and blogs. If you have WordPress website, then you can migrate your WordPress website on GoHighLevel, or you can create WordPress website on GoHighLevel platform. There is an extra charge for the WordPress website on GoHighLevel though. Then you can also create forms like this. I have already shown you the form, and these forms will be integrated with the automation. You can create surveys, quiz, and chat widget. If I go to chat widget, you will see I have one simple chat, the email chat widget here. However, if you want, you can also create live chat. You will see this option here, live chat. It is a real-time two-way conversation within the chat widget. Or you can also go for WhatsApp, a WhatsApp integrated two-way conversation on chat widget. It is also great for small teams that are not staffed 24/7. So using these widgets, you can capture the leads on your website. Under Reputation Manager, you can integrate your Google My Business page or the Facebook page, and you can request your client to submit a review on your Google My Business page. Under Marketing, you have Social Planner, Email. You can run email campaigns, snippets, countdown timers, trigger link, Affiliate Manager, and brand boards. Let's go to Opportunities. Under Opportunities, you can create different pipelines for your business. For example, if someone fills out the form on your website, you can add that newly generated contact in the pipeline. You can create different stages in your pipeline. Let me show you a live example. I'm going to fill up the form here. All right, so I have filled up the form. I'm going to submit the form. It says your message has been sent successfully. Now let's go back to the CRM here and let's go to contact. You will see that new contact is created automatically in the CRM. If I want to know more about this contact, I can go to that contact and you will see the details of this contact. Now, if I want to send SMS, I can simply send the SMS from this dashboard. I can also send WhatsApp message. However, I need to connect my WhatsApp number with the CRM, and I can send the email directly from the dashboard here. I do have automation created for the new lead. If I go to Opportunities, you will see that this new contact is added automatically under new lead. Now I'm going to contact the new lead and I'm going to move this new lead from one stage to another. Once I'm done with the call, I can simply move this contact from one stage to another. I can move it to appointment requested, and once the appointment is confirmed, I can move it to appointment confirmed. Let's go to automation here. You will see that I have already created some automations in this demo account. You can create automation from the scratch, or you can use a recipe to create automation. You will see different recipes are there. A recipe for missed call, WhatsApp back, send product recommendation, Instagram, comment automation, recipe for appointment confirmation, reminder, survey, and review request. So there are different recipes that you can use to create automation, or you can start from the scratch. There are so many features in GoHighLevel that I cannot even cover all those features in a single video. If you're looking for all-in-one tool to grow your business, then I think this is the best tool that you can use. I have been using it for more than 1 year, and I have many clients who are using the GoHighLevel tool successfully. And the pricing is also very affordable. In $97, you can create 3 sub-accounts for 3 different businesses. And you can create unlimited contacts and users in each sub-account. So if you want to start with the free trial, I'll give you the link in the description box. You can use my link. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.